Dear students, on the behalf of Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, I welcome you to e-content on emerging trends in mechanical engineering. I am Professor Naresh Chaudhary, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Myers MIT Pune. Emerging trends in mechanical engineering course having course code 22652 is common to automobile engineering, production engineering, production technology and mechanical engineering program. The objective of this course is to introduce student to the latest happenings in the different industries. As you all are aware that course outcome number 5 is select the recent agriculture equipment for pre-harvesting and post-harvesting. This course outcome have 3 unit outcomes. We are going to discuss about unit outcome number 1, which is working of different agriculture equipments. I will divide this unit outcome in 2 types, that is working of pre-harvesting equipments and working of post-harvesting equipments. So in this video, we are only discuss about the working of pre-harvesting equipments. Agriculture activities. So cultivation of crop involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities are similar to those carried out by a gardener or even by you when you grow ornamental plants in your house. These activities divided into pre-harvesting activities and post-harvesting activities. So tillage. So what is a tillage? So mechanical manipulation of soil to provide a favorable condition of crop production is called a tillage. So tillage has some objectives. So turn the soil and loosen it, which allows root to penetrate deeper. Loose soil allows the root to breathe easily even when they go deep. It helps in growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. Buried the crops residue of previous crop into the soil for increasing the decomposition rate as well as adding more humus into the soil. Exchange the top layer of soil with bottom layer of soil. It brings the nutrient rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. To increase the water absorbing capacity of soil and to reduce the soil erosion, tillage are used. To destroy the insects and pests, also the tillage are used. So these are the some objectives which are listed here. So there are different types of tillage and the tillage is to be classified into the 2 types, primary tillage and the secondary tillage. So what is primary tillage? The operation which is performed to open any cultivable land with view to prepare a seed bed for growing crops are known as primary tillage operation. The equipments used in the primary tillage are MB plug, disc plug, chisel plug, rotary plug, indigenous plug and subsoiler. So these are the some primary tillage equipments: indigenous plug, MB plug, disc plug, subsoiler, chisel plug, rotary plugs. Then secondary tillage. The tillage operation following primary tillage which are performed to create proper soil tilth for seeding and planting are known as secondary tillage operation. The equipments used in the secondary tillage are harrow, levelers and cultivators. So these are the different equipments which are used in the secondary tillage operation. The next is the cultivator. Cultivators steer and pulverize the soil either before planting or after the crop has begun growing. One type of cultivator refers to frame with teeth that pierce the soil as they are dragged through it linearly, and another type of cultivator refers to machine that use rotary motion of disc or teeth to accomplish a similar result. Sowing. So seeding or sowing is an art of placing the seeds into the soil to have good germination in the field. A perfect seeding gives you the correct amount of seed per unit area, correct depth at which the seed is placed in the soil, correct spacing between the row to row and plant to plant. Broadcasting, dibbling, drilling, seed dropping, transplanting, hill dropping and check row planting are some sowing methods. So these are the some sowing methods. Then next one is the seed cum fertilizer drill. So this seed cum fertilizer drill has a different components, and that components are frame, seed box, seed metering mechanism, fertilizer metering mechanism, drive transmission system, furrow openers, covering device, clutch, hitch frame and transport wheel. The seed cum fertilizer drill is used for simultaneous activities of seed sowing and fertilization through a single operated machine. Seeds and fertilizer are concurrently drilled but at a different depth. Appropriate seed drill distance can be maintained, and this helps to improve the germination. The versatile seed cum fertilizer drill is an ideal choice to reduce the cost and achieve better yield crop. So here we will summarize here. In this video we learnt about the working of pre-harvesting equipments, primary and secondary tillage equipments, cultivators, sowing and sowing methods, and seed cum fertilizer drill. Also we learn how the equipments are useful for pre-harvesting process in agriculture.